Ki MLA ka South Garo Hills District kilara ban kerpat ya Menteri Rangba ka jela u Konrad ki sangma ban penlong ka jinga kren bat ka sorkar pedeng na kabenta ban penpoy ya kalenti rel syadu syabak mara. Haba pentep ya kani hakalai trik leber u Menteri katanat puli puthi urakam e sangma ulaong. Mga haringkat sangut ki weipat ki MLA na ka district ngin saya kendu ya u Chief Minister ban IT ya kador khas na kabenta ban penpoy lentiral na Guwahati sya Mendi Pathar bat bakmara bat wat sya Dhaka. Kani kandai kalenti na kabenta ka kam Khayi Pateng kaban ne Islam kumbalong Hashwa jong ka jingyo light luit kamtam ka South Garo Hills ni jupenya ya ki kam Khayi Pateng ka basay sok bha haki puar ki baladep ula benram. Ula kedau ru bakari Amerika ka ruspa na markidon ya ki surak ki babiang batong kumta kilad penyasok kilong kabenta kabakongsan na kabenta ban kentiw ya karoy kapar bat kayo kakot jong katan. Ngin kerpat ya u Chief Minister baunra ya keren bat kasorkar pedeng halor kanikaman ban penpoy lentiral syadu bakmara bat syadhaka ong urakam. Watla kata ula banjur halor kajingdon kam ban bu ya kijaka talasi kenang bantek lakam ya kajingwan rung bean kibriu kibana syabar.
It's true. I, along with our MLAs from the district, will be meeting Honorable Chief Minister to submit a memorandum for extension of the railway line from Guwahati to Mandipeta to Bakmarai and even to Dhaka, because this will be the corridor for our trade and business in the long run. Because in the pre-independence time, especially South Koreans with Dhaka for a good trade and business before. So because we used to say that America has good road, not because they are rich, but America rich because they have the good road. So we need better connectivity to improve our economics. Connectivity is the importance for any community and for the region. Therefore, this is what our intention it is, just to bring up the better economics. So, connectivity is very important for us. We will just request our Honorable Chief Ministers to take up the matter with the Ministry and Government of India for the extension of the railway from Mendipata to Bakmara to Dhaka. In fact, via Bakmara, but having a integrated checkpoint is very important. Requested